Hello everyone and welcome back. So Thursday is Halloween, and if you're someone like me, then you probably wait till the very last second to think of a Halloween costume. Have no fear, because today I will show you 5 different Halloween costumes that you can make that are very cheap, very simple to make, and are pretty unique too. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Starting off with the fire, I Google searched fire clip art and was inspired by that, so I just used red, orange, and yellow markers and created a little fire and filled in each of the sections. My fire turned out to be a little too small. The markers that I was using were very fine tips, so it was hard to color in. But you can get however creative you want with this. I mean, you can go to the dollar store and get branches or construction paper or something like that, but I just wanted to go with simple, easy, draw it yourself fire. And once that was done, I cut out the fire and cut out all the surrounding white as best as I could. And then I laminated it with some packing tape. Very sorry, but the camera gets out of focus at this point, but I just laminated front and back, and then I cut off the excess tape. And once that was finished, I just finished off with a safety pin that I'm going to clip to a shirt. I got the foxtail from Target for $3. As well as the ears for an additional $3. Ears don't seem to want to stay straight. The face paint is from the dollar store, and I went ahead and drew a nose and some whiskers to make it look more like a fox. And then I took the fire and I pinned it to my orange shirt, and I am Firefox. For the next costume, you do the same exact thing for the fox, except now instead of the fire, you have some socks, and you put those on your hands, and in case you didn't get the reference, it's Fox and Socks by Dr. Seuss. So the next costume is going to be bee's knees, as if you are the bee's knees. Start off, you need a hot glue gun, 2 wooden bees, and 2 safety pins. I got these wooden bees from Michael's for $1.50 each, with a 60% off coupon, so the total came out to be $2.25. You start by taking off the sticker that it comes with off the back so that the safety pin doesn't accidentally come off with the sticker. And then you go ahead and glue the side of the safety pin where it doesn't open, if that makes sense. So you do that for both of the bees, and I went ahead and did an extra layer of glue on top of the safety pin as well to fully secure it. You let that dry, and then you have your bees. I do want to mention that a lot of the stuff that I got was so cheap because of the sale that was going on and the coupons that I have found for the stores. So places like Joann and Michael's are always going to have a % off for total purchase, and the shirts that I got from the Goodwill were 99 cents on that day. So just keep an eye out for what days you are shopping and if there are any coupons for that store. So this outfit is nice because you can literally wear whatever you want with it. I wore an old pair of leggings just because if there was a hole that was created from the safety pin, it wouldn't matter to me. And I safety pinned the bees to the knees, and I also wore a yellow shirt to kind of make it look more bee-like. And that's it. For the next costume, it's not very original, but it's a very simple idea of a skeleton. So to start off, make sure you have a giant piece of cardboard. I used the top of a pizza box, and then scissors, and I got a white shirt from the thrift store for $1. And you go ahead and insert the cardboard under the shirt to make sure that you don't cut all the way through. And I looked up a template of what a skeleton kind of looks like. So I cut off a larger hole at the top of the shirt and then just smaller holes by the rib area and then larger ones at the bottom. I found it really hard to cut with just regular scissors, so if you do have fabric scissors, I highly suggest to use those. So this is what the shirt looks like on. I paired it with a black tank top and sketched out a red heart and double stick taped that to the tank top. And then for the makeup, I got a dollar store makeup kit and I put the white all around the face. And then I used the black pencil for the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. You can go however detailed you want with the makeup. As you can see, I didn't go very in-depth on the features of a skeleton. But I just wanted, again, to make it quick and easy. And here you got your $2 skeleton costume. So the next costume is once again another pun. It's Amazon Prime. The idea with this one is that you dress up as if you were from the Amazon and you have a shirt with Prime numbers on. I got this wreath from Joann, half off. Looking into both Joann and Michael's, the ivy was double the price of this wreath and it's the same distance, so I just opened it up, untwisted it. It's just metal that's holding it together, unwinded it, and it was perfect for what we're going for. Then I got this shirt from the Goodwill. I again put the cardboard box in the shirt just to make sure that the permanent marker did not bleed through. There was no dollar shirts that were green, so I went with a gray shirt, and then I had to look up some Prime numbers on my phone, and then I used permanent marker and just wrote all over the Prime numbers. I used some brown face paint and made little dots to make it a little bit more Amazon-y. And then I just maneuvered the vine around my body as it felt comfortable. And I cut a little slit into the shirt so that the vine can go in a little bit, and then I just twisted it inside the shirt so that it would stay in the spot. This outfit is also fun because you can do it again however you want it. So I paired a little funky earrings with it, and I wore some green rain boots to add a little more green to the outfit.
Okay, so I didn't say they were going to be good Halloween costumes, but they are simple and they take no time at all to make. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.